Azure. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Complere Infosystem. In this video, we will discuss about AWS versus Azure. AWS is Amazon Web Services and is launched in 2006. Many big companies like Pinterest, Netflix are using the AWS environment. 40% of the market share is of AWS. It provides many services in wide range of domains like networking, storage, cloud computing, etc. So now let's discuss about Azure. Azure was launched in 2010. 80% of the Fortune 500 companies are using the Azure platform. It provides services in many regions than other cloud platforms. So now let's talk about the market share. The market share of AWS is 40% and the market share of Azure is 30%, and rest of the 30% of Google or other cloud service. Now let's talk about pricing. Both AWS and Azure provides the similar kind of pricing structures. We can compare it with the help of comparing two similar services. Let's take an example of 8 GB RAM and 2 CPUs will cost you around 0.0928 USD per hour. However, in Azure, virtual machine with similar configuration will cost you around 0.096 USD per hour. So the costing is almost similar. We can use any cloud platform for our business as per our organization. In next video, we will discuss about the services being offered by the AWS and the services being offered by Azure. See you in next video.